In an emergency, you have no time to look up words. You need to know exactly what to say right now. Today you will learn the most important emergency phrases in English. Pay close attention. These could save your life. Let's go. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. This lesson is different from the others. This lesson could be the most important one you ever watch. Learn these phrases. Practice them. Remember them. Section 1. Calling for help. The first and most important phrase is help. Shout this clearly and loudly if you are in danger. If someone is hurt, call the emergency number. In the USA and Canada, call 911. In the UK, call 999. In Europe, call 1112. When the operator answers, say, "I need help. There has been an accident. Someone is injured. Please send an ambulance. Please send the police. Please send the fire department." The operator will ask, "What is your location?" Say your address clearly. Speak slowly. Repeat it if needed. "I am at 25 Main Street," or "I am near the train station." Practice. How do you say you need an ambulance? Say, "Please send an ambulance to my location." Good. Section 2. Describing the emergency. The operator will need to know what happened. Here are phrases to describe common emergencies. There has been a car accident. Someone has had a heart attack. There is a fire. Someone has fainted. Fainted means lost consciousness. I have been robbed. I am lost and I need help. My child is missing. I can't breathe. If you are the one hurt, say, "I am in pain. I am bleeding. I feel dizzy." Practice. How do you report a fire? Say, "There is a fire at this address. Please send the fire department." Well done. Section 3. At the hospital or police station. If you get to a hospital, say, "I need to see a doctor. This is an emergency. I am allergic to penicillin." Always know your allergies in English. Can you call someone for me? At the police station, I want to report a theft. My passport has been stolen. I need an interpreter. An interpreter helps if you don't understand. Can I make a phone call? These phrases will help you even in the most difficult moments. Recap. Call for help. Help, and the local emergency number. Describe the problem. Accident, fire, injury, robbery. Give your location clearly and slowly. At hospital, I need a doctor. This is an emergency. At police, I want to report a theft. I need an interpreter. Memorize at least 3 of these phrases today. Share this lesson with someone who is learning English. It could help them one day when they need it most. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.